Okay, today I'm working on a Toyota Sienna. It's a 2011 Sienna. I am having an issue with my AC blower. Okay. So when I turn the heat on, oh yeah, makes a lot of noise. Okay, we gotta fix that one. Okay, can hear it again. Okay, we're gonna fix that problem. So what you need to do, you need to come on the passenger side, and that is the blower motor right there. That's the one that is making a lot of noise. So in my case, 2011 Sienna, what I need is an 8-inch, 8mm. What is that blower motor? It's right here. One. How about that one? Oh, it's come out. Then you need to unhook the. Oh, before I unhook it, let me test it. Let me see how it's making a lot of noise. Turn it on. Oh yeah, it's making a lot of noise. Okay, you're gonna go and unhook the plug right here. Right there. Oh yeah. Oh, it's very shaky. It's very shaking very bad. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the new one. It's very smooth. All you have to do is okay, let me see. Before you put it in, just make sure you clean up this area. Okay, it's very good. almost I forget to hook up the power. Hook up the power and stand it on. Let's see. Alright, it's on and it's quiet. Okay, now this is the blower motor that we took off from the car, and like you can see, it's complete trigger, completely messed up, very shitty. That's why it was making noise, because it's out of balance. But right now, with the new one, we are back in business. Thank you for watching. Okay. We have the new blower motor in. It's quiet now. It's blowing very good. Very quiet. No more noise. Thank you very much.